Alright everyone, how's it going? It's Rick Rackett back with you again, and today I've got a new tutorial for you, this time for Metal Gear Solid the Master Collection, specifically for Metal Gear Solid 2 and 3. This method, as far as I know, does not apply to MGS1. I believe that's because MGS1 on the Master Collection is an emulation and not a native port, so there probably will be fixes for it in the future, but it'll be different from what MGS2 and 3 have. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys how to enable anisotropic filtering. I hope I'm saying that word correctly. And I want to give a quick shout out to the person who brought this fix to my attention. It's a user by the name of Curtis G2000 on YouTube, or not YouTube, on Steam. And he posted this in the community tab. So I wanted to pass it along to the rest of you and make a video guide on how to do this. It's a pretty simple and straightforward thing to do. But again, sometimes it's easier to follow along with the video. I'm not taking credit for this fix. I don't know if Curtis G2000 was the one who discovered this fix or if he found it somewhere and just passed it along. But you know, all credit goes to whoever came up with it. Again, I'm just trying to help out the rest of the community here. And let's get into this. So the first step is to go into the desktop menu of your Steam Deck. And once you've done that, go to Metal Gear Solid 2 or 3. The method is the same across both games, so I'm not going to go through it twice. What you want to do is go to Manage, go to Browse Local Files. I've already got all this pulled up, but I'm going through the process anyway, just to give you just to show you how to get there in case you don't know. And once you've done that, I've already got the window pulled up down here. Actually, no, I don't. I closed it. Good going, Rick. Browse Local Files. Okay, so once you've got this pulled up, you are going to create a text file. To create a text file, if you're using the Steam Deck itself as a controller as opposed to a mouse and keyboard, and if you have a mouse and keyboard, I definitely recommend using that instead. But what you want to do is click on the left trigger and go to Create New, go to Text File, and you're going to create a file called dxvk.conf. And I'm going to have the text for all of this in the description and in the pinned comment. If it's not up right away, as soon as this video is up, it will be up there shortly, so just give me a few minutes. I'll try to have it all ready in time. But once you've done that, you're going to click OK. I'm not going to create another text file. That's the process. I've already got the file created. So once you've done that, you're going to go into the file, and you're going to enter this text, D3D11 sampler anisotropy, again I hope I'm saying that correctly, equals 16, and there's a space here and here. But again, if you just want to copy the text from my description or from the pinned comment on this video, you can do that. You can do that on the Steam Deck. If you want to copy text, what you do is you hold the right trigger and you just drag it across like that, and then you click the left trigger and then click copy. And then once you've done that, you can go into the file, right click again, or click the left trigger and go to paste, and then you can just enter the text that way. But once you've done that, what you'll do is go here, click save, and exit out, and you're all good. And then you can just go in and play the game like normal and have a good time and have that nice filtering enabled. And you can set the value, I guess, from anything from 2 to 16. I think it has to be like in increments of 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm not sure. That's usually how it is with most PC games. But I think the maximum is 16. I'm sure it is because that's the way it is in most other PC games. And again, this does work for Metal Gear Solid 2 as well, so you can go in and create the same file and achieve the same thing. So we're going to go in. I don't know if it's something that you will notice really all that much from gameplay, but I'm going to go ahead and show a demonstration. But if you just want to see how to do it, that's it. That's all there is to it. And yeah, let me jump over to the game mode and we'll boot up Metal Gear Solid 3. Alright, so I'm in the game now. I was hoping that I had like a new save file, or I was closer to the beginning of the game with like the jungle area to where you can kind of maybe see things a little bit better. I'm right in the fight with Volgan right now. But like I said, I don't really know if it's something you would notice unless you're playing it yourself. and it's probably something. It definitely looks a lot better, like when you're playing it in portable mode, or using the Steam Deck itself, using the Steam Deck screen, I guess I should say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to give something of a channel update before I go. I've got a couple of busy weeks coming up at work, and so there probably won't be any uploads next week for sure. Week after, maybe. The week after that, more than likely I'll have something up. But stay subscribed. I will be back. I've got more tutorials planned. I've got at least 2 more right now that I know I want to do. So yeah, there's that, and I've got more playthroughs coming. I got to do Metal Gear Solid 2 playthrough, which I'll probably do on the Steam Deck. I've got an HDMI splitter coming in the mail next week, which will be nice for me when it comes to recording gameplay on the Steam Deck. I'll be able to have my laptop capturing everything, and I'll be able to play the game on my nice little OLED monitor, and not have to deal with the control delay or the input delay, which, I've tried to record Metal Gear Solid 2 like 3 or 4 times now, and the input delay playing it in the OBS window is just killing me. Like it's making what should be a fairly easy game fairly difficult. But so yeah, that'll be something I do. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed. I'm up to 80 subscribers. That's pretty exciting. Like, I never thought I would have that many subscribers, so that's pretty awesome. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And please continue to watch. Please continue to stay subscribed, and be patient with me in my absence. Sometimes I go away for a couple months, but I always come back. I hope not to be away that long this time. I shouldn't be, unless there's some unforeseen circumstances that pop up that are out of my control. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about about this whole process, anything that I might have left out. I think I covered everything, but if there's anything else you have questions about regarding the Steam Deck and the Metal Gear Solid Master Collection, I'll try my best to help you out. And yeah, I think that'll do it. I've rambled on long enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.